Don't press the button, but I can't touch the color purple. Patata cada. Oh, freak. Freak. Échate la patata cada. 3, 2, 1, Chaos Blastola. Luckily, that wasn't purple. The only color that I cannot touch is purple, and I just saw that guy that was like invisible. But I saw him. That was invisible. See? But I don't know. Kia on the spider. Hell no! I hate you! I fucking hate you. That bitch. Ooh. We just gotta win the yeah. I haven't told. My only goal is My only goal is to complete 5 challenges, and I didn't even complete 1. So I just gotta be visible. Come on. Aqui é Ganju Wakabayashi. Anytime I gotta get some coins. You stupid ball. Oh, Prince knows this is a trick. If you want to avoid the mirror shadow without just gotta stand here. Just stand in the corner so the mirror shadow won't even touch you. And I just thought, that almost touched me. Just sit there in the corner, and if a mirror shadow gets you, then you're doing it wrong. Because you literally have to stand right at the edge, okay? Okay, now the mirror shadow is over, and I'm gonna go away. And wait this up. Now, pero que esquiva el láser en arriba. Mano en arriba no. What? Non è neanche perdido. Let's do this. Ok. Spingiamo la bomba fuori. Non me ne importa di una moneta. Mi importa solo che sopravviviamo. Ok, we gotta do water clutch. I don't give a freak. Not freaking again. Ultra Scoop. I don't think Ultra is enough. Because I didn't want to. The only trick is you have to really stay on the edge and make sure you don't fall. I'm a professional at falling, so this is really hard. Then you just gotta keep running in circles. If it is over, you gotta do like this so you can avoid the meteors. No. I'm avoiding it like a pro. Yeet. Yeah, I'm the only survivor. Someone is burning like a Oh, freak. Oh, now I get it. Fuck you. No, you're not gonna blow up mine. You're not gonna blow up me. Big thing. Oh, you. We meet. Oh, let's do this. Ya bukan ini. I dodged it. Just another one? Luckily I was at the same place. Caverna da Coya. Yeah, no, that was the same way I was gonna go. There's nothing here. I'm sure they got the diamond. I knew they got the diamond. That's the same thing. Oh, knockout. We just did a book knockout. 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 Not again, the buffet. Yeah. Bye. Psych. Fresh of the bed. Come on, bed. I'm only just pushing, like I'm Sonic. Oh, I didn't know it was this bomb. Oh, we pushed 2 bombs at once. Hey. We defeat. I think okay. I survived. That was easy. And you might wonder, did I just touch? No, I didn't touch nothing. I didn't touch nothing.
I didn't saw nothing.
Did I just ran through it and didn't die? Must be a little bug in the game. Who cares? We. Oh, she's the winner. You cannot stop him. They're going to say, oh, she's the winner. You cannot stop him. Oh, red platform. What is balloons here? Can somebody calm me down? Wait a minute. Wasn't my goal to complete 5 challenges and I didn't notice that I already completed 5 challenges? That's it for this episode of fellas. Bye!